Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, Monday, first day of the working week, and also end of the month. Also almost end of the month. Yes, August the 29th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, and otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, so the first puzzle I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku number 5090. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers that you need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars Sudoku puzzle, I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. 1 4. 4 5s. All right. 1 6. 4 7s. All right. 1 2 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 5s and the 7s are a majority. Okay, so let's get started. Wait. Let me see. With the 5, nope. With the 5, well, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me wait. How about the 7 then? 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Wait. Cannot continue with the 7 now. But we have a pair. 7 and a 5 in this column. 7 and a 5 in the column next. So the last column. The only 3 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and a 5. Sorry, 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5 or 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the first row. So no 7 and 5 in this box. The 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Right. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the first row. Should be there. Right. Then the 1 in this row, first row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the first column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Two missing numbers now in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Oh, wait. Okay. Then. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 in the third row, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. 6 in this first row. 6. Oh, wait. Let me count first. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, this is number 1, number 9. 6 in the first row. 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 7 and a 5. Now we have a 7 here in the second row. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Oh, wait. Then. Yeah, two missing numbers. In the second row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and the 8. Okay. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Oh, white. 5, 5. 3, 3. Let me think. 6, 6. 3, 3. Come on. It's taking too long. 8. 2. 2. Come on. About a 5. No, 5. 1, 3. 1, 3. Come on. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Come on. 4, 8. Yeah. Oh, 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. One box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6, 6, 3, 3. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 8. 286. Well, these 3 missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4 and the 6. Now we have a 6 here in this row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 4. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Wait. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the third column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and the 4. Okay. Then. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4 and 8. Now we have an 8 here in this column, so this box can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here in this row. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, don't need to place left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1 and 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1 and 2 is missing. Finishing 15 minutes. Well, is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.